What is full of holes but still holds water?
Pass.
What is at the end of everything?
A G.
What gets wet when you get dry?
A towel.
What gets bigger the more you take away?
Pass.
What is orange in color, green on top, and sounds like a parrot?
A carrot.
What gets bigger the more you take away?
Pass. I don't know.
What is full of holes but still holds water?
I'm going to kick myself, but pass. I don't know. Time.
Time. How did you do?
I'm confident in the ones I answered.
Zeke, hold on. Steve, as you might have noticed, all of today's questions are riddles.
I did notice that.
That's the special surprise. And I think Hot Wings is going to be so annoyed.
When you sent these to me earlier, because you send them to me every morning so I can print them out, I looked at it and I was like, something's up. Something's weird.
I almost said, don't say anything, but I knew I could trust you.
Yep.
All right. Waving the wings back in. Zeke is on hold.
Okay.
His score has been recorded. Hot Wings, are you ready?
I am, yes.
Dumber Than the Show trivia, $1,600 could be Zeke's. It's Hot Wings' turn on your... Jeez, oh, Pete.
Your time begins in 3, 2, 1.
What is full of holes but still holds water?
Pass.
What is at the end of everything?
Everything. Darkness.
What gets wet when you get dry?
Come on. A towel.
What gets bigger the more you take away?
A hole.
What is orange in color, green on top, and sounds like a parrot?
Again?
What is orange in color, green on top, and sounds like a parrot?
A caw? I don't know.
What is full of holes but still holds water?
A story.
Time. How'd you do, Hot Wings?
Oh, I love Riddle version. Would hate to keep this streak of money going.
That wasn't the response I expected.
Facts. Why would we do that?
All right, Zeke, welcome back.
Hello.
Zeke, were you as fussy as Hot Wings when you heard that?
No, I'm fine with riddles. My son loves dad jokes.
What is full of holes but still holds water? Hot Wings said a story. Zeke was a pass and then a pass. The answer is a sponge. A sponge has holes. Still holds water. 0-0. What is at the end of everything? Hot Wings said darkness. Zeke said the letter G. It is everything. ING. 1-0, Zeke. Uh-oh. Mutter bug warning. Chance for an F drop. What gets wet when you get dry? Hot Wings said a towel. Zeke said a towel. Both correct. 2-1, Zeke. What gets bigger the more you take away? Hot Wings said a hole. Zeke double pass. The answer is a hole. Tied at 2.
Thank God.
What is orange in color, green on top, and sounds like a parrot? Hot Wings said a macaw.
I know this one. I was so excited. It's the only one I knew. When you did it, I was like, bing, I know.
Zeke said a carrot. It is a carrot. Zeke wins 3-2.
Orange
in
with green
color.
on top. Sounds like a parrot. carrot and parrot rhyme.
Oh my God. I hate everything about you today. I'm so angry.
Zeke, you just won $1,600 by being much smarter than Hot Wings.
Excellent. Thank you so much.